से आले
तेमको माते सांग तो नोटिफिकेशन वाचात न्हू. That notification is banning meeting of any group of more than 5 persons. So it will apply to Chimbelkar and it will also apply to every other group, whoever it may be. There is no exception.
हेजे वयल्यान तुमी मेसेज कितें दिवपाक शकता खंय तरी गोंयकारांक चिड्डोवन दवरता आनी तांकां तशें वयर काडटा अशें कितें दिसता तुमकां?
That is, they want to explain because too many important people were involved. So perhaps, that is Sangpa ki the national president is there, chief minister is there. So some explanation for the police perhaps not to take any action, I don't know.
So
Law is the same for everybody. There can't be a change of law. फक्त आपण विचार म्हणून read the notification and दाखवूया म्हणून how this notification applies only to Chimbel and does not apply to you.